Hello, this is the Radio Geek from Radio Geek Blades. Here to wish everybody a happy Independence Day in the U.S. Happy 4th of July to all the fellow U.S. citizens. And today I thought I'd show you just a few USA made knives. First up, we've got the 6-Hour Hogue by Hogue. 6-Hour by Hogue. This is the K320 aluminum walnut inlays. The Able Lock, nice knife, USA made. USA flag right there in the pocket clip. Next up, I've got an old Gerber that I got in the 90s. This is made USA, Portland, Oregon. Lockback knife. Next up, I've got this Swell center jack case knife, red bone. Look at that bone. Nobody does bone like case. I'll say that for him anyway. Love that jigging. And it's got the red, white, and blue US flag shield in it too. Got the little pen blade here too. 62.25.5 stainless steel, USA. And a bolster there. It's got USA on the bolster too. Next up, got the white peanut that I always carry. This is the white case peanut here. It gets used quite a bit here. It's one of the Sparkle series, I believe. It's got the Sparkle shield there. I use this one all the time, so it's a little dirty. There you go. 6220 stainless steel. Nice little peanut USA made case knife. Lastly, I have Case Trapper. Nice blue. Got the clip point. And I've got the spade blade here too. 10207 SS USA on the tag. All right, love that blue with those sparkly sparkles in there. Reflects the light really nice. Really love that color on that one. Look at them back springs of shine. Yep. Anyway, so this is my 4th of July pocket dump, I guess. Happy Independence Day. Till next time, this is Radio Geek from Radio Geek Blades.